Okay, welcome back, you guys. As you see in the last video, we did finally beat Pig Josh's honey, and we got smoked bacon. So, let's continue with Bad Barbecue. We'll continue. Actually, no, it's the doctor this time. I like this level because it's the first time we get to use the twin revolvers. Okay. I just like how he swings his guns, you know? Each person has their own different loading screen, which is pretty cool. And as before, please subscribe. It's a big yellow button, guys, if you don't know how to. It's a big yellow button. So, let's go on. Okay, she's hot. Okay. Okay, well, getting this got pretty good. Okay, this game has about 3 bosses, 2 mini bosses, and then a boss. Okay. What I hate about this level though is there's so many God-forsaken obstacles in your way. So okay, okay, take that, you SOB. And let's pick some health up, cause this next boss is a bit hard. I may have to split this level into 2 videos or so. Oh, here we go. Okay, I like this because it's Dark Holiday from Tombstone. Dang it, I didn't see that clown there. We'll just have to do this again. No problem. Let's see this case. And like I said, she's hot. Okay. She's pleading, but he ain't doing anything. So let's continue. Okay. No goose. Okay, we're kicking these guys' butts. Okay, he's way too hard, you know. But he's not that hard, but it's kind of randomized. So, let's get past the cut. See? And then, let's find these idiots. Okay, they're getting their butts kicked. Okay, look at it. Okay. Okay, we're kicking some butt. And also, make sure to subscribe and comment and like my videos. Okay, thank God. Ow. Okay, let's get the whiskey, which I think it's whiskey. Either way, it's helps. Okay. Let's take him in. Okay. Well. Okay. Okay, there we go. And okay. Where's the... Okay, we just kicked both their butts into oblivion. Yeehaw! Okay, now here's the main boss. It's a very short level if you know what the heck you're doing, but it's been a while since I played this level. It's been a few months. Okay. Wait. Oh. Let's... It's good. Okay, I want to take care of this guy first. It's kind of easier to. Okay, usually this happens when you're Indian. Okay, we gotta deal with some midget clowns again. I think the midget go to the gap. Oh. Dang it. Okay. Hopefully we don't have to take care of those two bosses again. Good. Okay. Excuse me. Check and see what it is. No need to answer it then. Hey, taking care of him and... Okay. And guys, if you guys do Facebook, look up Greg Mathis and see if you can join his mafia. Okay? Bye. Time's up. See you later. This is Smallville signing off. That was just in time, huh, Mammy?